she is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious, mouth-watering recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some beef chow mein. Yes, right in your home. I'm telling you, this right here are gonna be super delicious and so flavorful and so mouth-watering. You guys are gonna enjoy it. Please don't forget to share this video to someone that you know will enjoy it. Not keep it to yourself. Also, give this video a thumbs up and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see, okay? Thank you all so much for all the love and your support. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned. So guys, just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read you all a Bible verse, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. It says from Hebrews 11 verse 6. So this is the word of the Lord. Without faith, it is impossible to please God, because anyone who comes to him must believe that he exists and that he rewards those who earnestly seek him. Amen. So guys, I pray that you all is blessed by this word. I love you, but remember that God loves you so much, and he have a plan and a purpose for your life. Thank you all so much for the hearing of the word of the Lord. Stay blessed. So now I'm gonna show you all my ingredients. So in my bowl right here, I've got at least 2 pounds of my beef, and this is my dark soya, and this is at least 4 tablespoons, okay? Also gonna add some honey, and this is at least 5 tablespoons of my honey. Some oyster sauce, at least 2.5 tablespoons, and this is oyster sauce, and this is at least 5 to 6 tablespoons, okay? Also have some fresh ginger, just over 1 tablespoon that I cut. I love ginger in my chow mein. Trust me, it tastes real good. And I also have half onion that I cut, and some scallion, at least 1 stalk, and just a small amount of my fresh thyme, which is totally optional. I also have some garlic. This is 4 cloves of my garlic. Guys, this is just my stir-fry vegetables. Here I have some beet sprouts, and I also have sweet pepper, onion, carrot, and cabbage, okay? As you can see, it is finely chopped. You can use any vegetables of your choice. You don't have to use what I'm using, okay? And these are my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of my Chinese 5 spice, 2 teaspoons of my paprika, 1 teaspoon of my salt and onion seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my black pepper, 1 teaspoon of my garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of my all-purpose seasoning. If you don't have all the seasoning that I'm using, you can use any seasoning of your choice, okay? Guys, I'm using egg noodles. You can use any one of your choice. I'm gonna use at least 2 packs of these, but let's see. So now guys, I'm just gonna cut my beef. Like so. You don't want to cut them too big.
Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody Cooking, delicious cooking.
Put it in a bowl. Guys, now I'm gonna season my meat. So I just wash it. So I'm just gonna take a paper towel and just, you know, to remove any excess water. like so. Then I'm just gonna add just a little bit of my oil, at least over 2 teaspoons, and some of my dark soya. I'm gonna add at least a tablespoon of that, and I'm gonna also add my garlic with my ginger. And blend all my seasoning. Just gonna add it just like so. I'm gonna leave back a little bit for my sauce. Just gonna mix it in. So guys, my hand is nice and washed, so I'm just gonna take my hand and just massage all that seasoning all over on my meat. Make sure that all the meat is all covered in the seasoning. You can leave it to marinate, guys, for at least 30 minutes or so. It smells so good. Yeah, so that's perfectly seasoned. So guys, in my pot, as you can see, my pot is on my stove. I add at least over 2 tablespoons of my oil. So now my pot is all heated up. I'm gonna add my meat. Let's space it out. Just gonna space it out, guys, and just leave it on a high heat for at least 3 minutes, okay? So after 3 minutes or so, I'm just gonna mix it all in. I'm gonna leave it for at least 8 minutes, okay? Because I want it to be nice and brown, and so that liquid also will reduce. So guys, I'm just gonna also half cover it. Do not fully cover it. So now guys, I'm gonna remove the lid. As you can see, all the liquid is all reduced. It looks so good. Put it to a plate.
Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody Cooking, delicious cooking.
I'm just gonna put it to the side. So guys, as you can see, I just add a little bit more of my oil. So now I'm gonna stir fry my vegetables. And my onion, my scallion, my fresh thyme. Just gonna put my stove on a high to medium heat. Just leave it, guys, for at least a minute or so. And I'm also gonna add some of my ginger. So after 1 minute, this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna remove it, because you want it to be, you know, nice and crunchy. So guys, I just added just a little drop of my oil to my pot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some of my remaining ginger and garlic. Okay, there's some onion that I cut them really big, so I'm just gonna add them to my pot. Gonna leave it for at least 20 seconds. Okay, so just after 20 seconds or so, guys, I'm gonna add my dark soya. Make sure that you turn down your stove. Then I'm gonna also add my oyster sauce. And my oyster sauce. Guys, it smells so good. My honey. The honey is gonna give it such a nice flavor. So guys, in my bowl right here, I've got at least 1 tablespoon of my cornstarch. So to my cornstarch, I'm gonna add some of my water. I add over 4 tablespoons of water, a little bit more, at least over 6 tablespoons. Just gonna mix it in. Just like so. Then I'm just gonna add my cornstarch. And the cornstarch is just gonna thicken it up. Gonna add some more of my dark soya. Then I'm gonna add all my remaining seasoning. Let me add just a little bit more of my dark soya. Then I'm also gonna add some of my granulated sugar, at least 1 tablespoon. You're gonna mix it in. Then just allow it to come to a boil. And now guys, I'm gonna cook my egg noodle. I'm gonna cook 2 pack because I'm cooking for a big family. Gonna add some water from my kettle. You're just gonna allow it to cook, guys, for at least 5 minutes. Okay, try not to overcook it. Just gonna add just a little bit of salt. Just gonna off cover my pot so it doesn't boil over. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, this is what it look like after it come to a boil. As you can see, it is nice and thick, and that's exactly what I want. Nice and rich and flavorful, just like Chinese. So now guys, I'm gonna add my egg noodles. It is nicely cooked. Add it like so. After, you're gonna make sure that you're blending it in. This look absolutely delicious, and it is not dry. I don't like my chow mein to be dried. So what I'm doing, I'm just adding just a little bit more of my oyster sauce, and I'm also gonna add some more of my dark soy. Yeah, like so. Mix it in. And now guys, I'm gonna add my meat. Look at that, absolutely delicious. I'm gonna add some more of my spring onion, my scallion. Then I'm gonna add my mixed vegetables like so. This is the fun part, just mix it all in. Oh my gosh, absolutely delicious. It is cooked to perfection.
Coming at the kitchen, Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a star.
I just taste some, and honestly, it is absolutely delicious. Oh, so good. Please, if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? It is ready to serve.
Jody cooking straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody cooking.
So guys, as you can see, I have my plate right here, so I'm gonna plate it up. Look at that, perfect. Look at the color, and it is not dry. As I said, I don't like my chow mein to be dry. This have a lot of sauce. It is made to perfection, trust me guys. So guys, this is it. This is how I make my beef chow mein. I'm telling you, I cannot wait for you guys to try it. Please don't forget, if you do try it, comment below and tell me what it's like. Oh my gosh, this is mouth-watering. It looks like food prawn. If I go to a restaurant, I would definitely order this. It is come out to perfection. Oh my gosh, absolutely delicious. So guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Please don't forget also to give me a thumbs up and also share it, okay? Please do not keep this video to yourself. Bye guys, love you all.